Hello everybody, I'm Gabby and this is Raijintek. Thank you very much for being here again for another update. I placed my 480mm radiator by EKWB and I placed 4 very beautiful fans from Arctic on it that I got extremely cheap, €750 per fan, and they're super quiet. The quality is supreme for this price. They're white because this is white, black, pink, built, whatever. You see my new screws from AliExpress that are hot candy pink, very beautiful and nice. And I installed it, but I did major mistake with the installation. I put the pump a little bit higher than it's supposed to be and the tube can't go properly. Fail. And that means I need to unscrew the pump again and move it lower so it will be placed perfectly. This pump is very problematic to place. You will see yourself, very bad, very bad. This I did it like 4 or 5 times and you definitely need another person to help you in order for you to place it the best possible way. Somebody needs to hold. Problematic. Thank you very much for being here again. Be sure to like this video and distribute it to more people, because that way you help me, you make Google and YouTube analytics boost it more. It means a lot for me and my channel that is almost 1 year old. And tomorrow I have exam. 1 like, 1 look for the exam. Thank you. Now let's place my gloves, because nobody likes fudgy fingers on their case. And unscrew it again. First we need to lay it down, remove the feet, and fix the pump. Ready, steady, go. Problematic Raijintek screws, I had to improvise in order to make the pump hold perfectly well. If you're thinking which are the problematic ones, this, and this. And this is my improvisation in order to make it better and the pump to hold well, because I told you the mechanism is clearly bad. Why didn't they include washers in the kit in order to make this configuration stable? I don't know, but they should have done it, because if people are not clever and as me and they improvise that way, it won't happen. Okay guys, I managed to align it. It's handy sometimes to have some soft tubing to help you in the process. We aligned it and everything seems all right now. We're just waiting for our graphics card, and this computer will be finished. Of course, we will have some fun time bending tubes and the other stuff around, hard tube, water cooling, that are not exactly fun and they're expensive. So if you're gonna make a computer, guys, I really recommend you to go into soft tubing or just air cooling, because this is very big drama. Thank you very much for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow me on all social media.